Hello guys, my name is Jacqueline Mitchell, and I just wanted to introduce you guys to a new opportunity that we decided to join about 2 weeks ago, and we received our welcome packet in the mail. The opportunity is called Turbo Pay Lines. This is in regards to sending flyers in the mail, but you have the opportunity to make a good substantial amount of money as well. I just want to let you know, just give you a brief information as far as what we received in the mail. We received of course, our congratulations and our income disclaimer. Then we received a copy of our flyer with our ID number. 1636 will be our flyer number if you would like to request information in regards to how this program works. And then we received our upgrade form, which is encouraged to do. If you can't start at the higher levels, then once you are able to upgrade, then it is strongly encouraged that you do so as soon as possible. Then we also received our website and our information in order to order leads. You do not actually get leads with this particular program, but you do have the opportunity to purchase some. The lowest price is $95 for 500. We're just looking forward to getting started. We did have to go out and purchase stamps as well. We purchased a roll of 100 for $50. So like I said, we've ordered our leads, and we are waiting for them in the mail as we speak to get started. But if you'd like for more information as far as what the program is, or just have any questions, please feel free to email us at the email below, and we'll be happy to answer any questions. Or you can just request a flyer with the ID number of 1636, and we'd also be happy to get you over that flyer, a copy of that flyer. And then here's the number that you can call, and it'll go over every information, or it should answer most of the questions. If you have any additional questions, there is a number on there that you can call, and he'll be glad to answer those questions for you. So again, this is Turbo Pay Lines, and we are excited to get started. Hopefully, prayerfully, this will change our financial future. So if you're looking for an opportunity where you don't have to talk to people or to deal with the internet or a computer, this is the perfect opportunity for you. And again, if you'd like to request a flyer, the ID number is 1636. Thank you, and God bless.